Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Hira Arsalan. The video is presented by GIS and IT tools. Our content is already available in Urdu language and now we are going to present it in English too. This is our first effort. Hope you guys would like it and would like to appreciate us. Thank you. Today we are going to discuss two things in this presentation. One is the problems in the GIS field with their solutions, and the other thing is what is the purpose of our channel. We will have a short look on the problems in the GIS field with their solutions, but our main focus would be on what we are going to do, what we are going to learn, what we are going to practice in this channel. So let's start it. As we know that we are facing many problems in the field of GIS, but I'm gonna discuss here only 4 main problems which are very common in these days. Number 1 is the gap between learning institutes and the industry. Actually, there's a huge gap between the learning institutes and the industry. When we pass out our graduation, then we couldn't get it that how to start, from where to start, where to apply for the jobs or where to go. We don't have any idea. It all happens because of limited knowledge. Number 2 is selection of best tool and best domain. Other than our field or our job, usually we don't know about the best tool and the best domain. Usually we don't know which tools and technologies are in demand in the market, what projects are going on, what is the best way for our current project. It all happens because of lack of communication. Actually, this field is very limited in our country, or you can say it's just a start here because of what we have limited resources and we don't know what or how to search the best tools and the best domains. The third problem is how to pick a project. When we are new in the market, then usually we don't know what project we should pick and how to pick it. How can we enter in the market? What is the right direction and right methodology? Which skills are highly demanded in the market? So again, it all happens because of lack of knowledge. Fourth and the last problem is no project means no earning. Due to lack of communication and limited resources, we couldn't get ideas that how to start our career in the field of GIS, how to start our earning. For freshers, it is a difficult step. It requires much effort. After some struggle, if we are failed to get any project, which means we are unable to utilize our skills in the field of GIS and we are not earning by using our skills in this field, then we become disappointed and we think what kind of course we have done. So these were the common problems in the field of GIS. Now we are moving towards a solution. So these were the common problems in the field of GIS. Now we are moving towards a solution. So here is the suggestion. We must have any other side skill. We should start learning any side course during our degree or our job. And the skill could be related to the GIS or other than the GIS. It could be simple video editing course, any kind of designing or any kind of online learning, so that we can utilize our multiple skills. These side skills makes us more confident and more secure. In case of any job loss, we won't be afraid that we have limited options. We would have multiple options where we can utilize those skills. And through it, we can be aware of market trends and the tools. And we can be aware of which projects are going on and which projects are in queue. It will enhance our knowledge. The next point is, whenever you are free, then try to start working on a project. It could be a small project. For example, start making a calculator. But do not leave your project incomplete. Bring it to an end, give it a final output. Working on a side project will make you more confident that if you can start anything, then you can bring it to an end too. And then you can add it in your CV as an expertise. So try to utilize your free time on the productivity. It would be beneficial for you. The next is try to be attached with any senior or expert. He could be from the same field or from the different field. A successful person can leave a positive impact in your personality and you can learn much more from him. The next point is for students, I must say that try to start working on your final project from the starting of your degree. Initially, maybe you will be unable to choose the right idea for the project, but gradually you will move towards a useful and informative project. In result, you will be more prepared, you will learn project management skills quicker, and you will identify key project management trends timely. Final project is a key of success. Mostly we students don't take the final project seriously, we take it as a burden, but actually this final project is a key of success. It means a lot to us. Whenever we go for any job interview, the most commonly asked questions are about our final project. So always stay updated with newly trending research topics in the market and go for the unique and clear idea. It doesn't mean that go for something big, go for small, but something new and clear. And the last point is additional certification. Again, I am going to highlight this point that additional certification increases your worth, so must focus on some additional certification. It could be any online learning, for example, PHP, databases, Oracle, or etc. Some websites are offering free courses, free certification. Udemy is one of them. So learn something from there and increase the worth of your CV, increase your marketability, increase your earning potential, grow your knowledge and skills, enhance your credibility, and increase your confidence. Moving towards the second part of our presentation, and that is what is the purpose of our channel, what are we going to do here, what are we going to learn here. Now 90% of these courses with Urdu video tutorials are already uploaded here in our channel. You can see these courses by clicking the given link in description, or you can visit our website to learn these courses which are freely available. Here, the first point is develop a website and host it on a server. We'll learn to develop a website without coding by using QGIS. Practically, we'll show you how to purchase a server and after purchasing, how to deploy on it. We'll do it all in QGIS. In this case, you don't need a developer to visualize or develop your code. You will develop your own data in QGIS and then we will convert it in a fully functional website. Then we will see how to host it on a server. The second point is development of Android surveying application. Here we will develop an Android surveying app in QGIS without coding. It would be a complete project. We will design a surveying app which you can use anywhere. Even I have done this experiment and I have used this application for a big project. So here we will develop an Android app, then we'll fetch data by conducting a survey. You can conduct survey from your project area. It's up to you how many surveyors and survey you want. After collecting live data through the same website, you would be able to visualize the live data on server. So these 2 points are complete package where you will learn to design a website and an Android app without coding. And after deploying them, you can do a complete project just by hiring some surveyors. So this is very interesting and easy task. Just by clicking some simple steps, we can perform it. Let me show you something practically. This kind of app you can design. You can add any kind of cache map. You can add fields. You can conduct a survey. You can check your live location and you can perform analysis. So we'll learn to develop this kind of app. Third point is QGIS and PostgreSQL analysis plus data visualization. In this point, we are moving towards our data handling. This point is a complete course of data visualization and data handling, where we learn the data visualization and data analysis in QGIS. We'll study a database PostgreSQL with QGIS, where PostGIS will be its extension. After covering this course, you will be able to do spatial data visualization at the level of administration. This course will clarify your all concepts about the data. You would be able to understand the basics of data, data types, data handling techniques, and data functionalities in a better way. Well, this is my favorite topic. I really like to do work on it. And if you want to be an expert in GIS, then this is the basic and very important topic to learn. Number 4 is Enterprise GIS with open source. Here, by using QGIS and PostgreSQL, we will develop an enterprise GIS function for any lab, which means any project's data security is very important. Maybe we don't want to share with all the users. Maybe someone is digitizing, someone is visualizing, someone is analyzing. So here we will define a role that which user can edit the shapefile and databases, which user can analyze the same shapefile and databases, and which user can just view the same shapefile and databases. So we'll develop a complete setup of GIS Enterprise here. This is also a very interesting topic. Number 5 is visualization of GIS data on the web with Leaflet.js API. This is also a complete project here. In our first point, we were developing a website just by following some simple steps without coding. But now we will develop the same website through coding, and this would not be so advanced course here. Only simple HTML, CSS and JavaScript would be there. And we are going to use the leaflet of JavaScript. We'll use API, which is JavaScript's leaflet used for GIS data visualization. This would be our first step to enter in the world of programming. We'll prepare a complete project where we'll design a website through coding. Here I must say that after covering these previous courses, you will be enough confident that this course would be very easy and very simple for you. You can learn it quickly. And after learning it, you will be in new era of GIS. Number 6 is simple PHP CMS for MIS tables and charts on dashboard. Here we are taking a pause from GIS topics and we are moving towards a PHP. Here we will develop a CMS with attribute data where we'll make tables and charts. And we would have a complete CMS project here. We'll code that project with PHP Postgres database. This kind of CMS we'll make in which you can generate reports, charts and tables. In form of charts, we can visualize our data. This will be just MIS data presentation, not GIS. This is also very important for GIS analysis. So we need to learn it to present our attribute data. Here forms are also included. Through forms, we will enter our data. There would be different fields. After saving data in databases, we will present it on dashboard. Point number 7 is server-side GIS and dynamic dashboard. Here, we will develop a complete project where our website would be dynamic. Data will come from live survey or you can say data will come from input field. And then we'll integrate our GIS data with MIS, that is attribute data. Our complete project would be like this. There will be our GIS data with attribute data. You will be able to visualize your data in the forms of charts, like pie charts here. Before it, data was in buffer. Now this is in the forms of charts. This is our MIS data. These are MIS charts. You can see trends and stacks. So this is the complete MIS data. Here live data is coming, and this is a dynamic website like dashboard. So here we'll prepare a complete dashboard which will be a complete project, and after covering this course you will be a complete GIS developer. The next point, GIS big data understanding and practice. Here we will discuss GIS data handling. This is one of the most famous and highly demanded topic in these days. I am working on it these days. In future you guys will work with me here. So it would be an interesting series. Point number 9 is Esri GIS API integrated leaflet. It would be same like point number 5, where we have done GIS data visualization by using JavaScript's leaflet API. But here in this point we'll use Esri's JavaScript API. By using Esri's JavaScript API, we will complete this project. Point number 10 is PHP Laravel complete e-commerce website. PHP Laravel is the easiest way to get any project. If you are not getting any project in GIS, then this is the easiest way to get it. Here we'll design an e-commerce website by using PHP Laravel. It would be our complete product like Daraz. We'll use it for selling purpose, selling of anything. You would be able to sell your services and products on this platform. So this is our future plan to make tutorials on these courses. Hope you guys would like it. We are not making these videos for earning purpose. We just want to share our knowledge and experience with all of you. So we need your support and encouragement. As we have told it that this is our first English version tutorial, which is already available in Urdu language. So please must share your precious suggestions and leave your comments. We need your support so that we can continue it. Thank you so much. Remember us in your prayers. Don't forget to hit the bell icon. Please like and share our video. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.